Okay, good morning, everybody. Monday, the 31st of July. Yes, autumn continues in that respect. As it seems, we do have another area of low pressure, or the same area of low pressure that plagues us most of the time, right over the top of us currently, with lots and lots of occlusions just moving around. It will dry up this afternoon, but front's never too far away, which unfortunately means whilst it might get flyable, doesn't look too good in the way of soaring. Go through today into tomorrow, and I'm going to call that a ridge of high pressure. I don't know, might not be, but it does look slightly quieter tomorrow before we have quite a deep area of low pressure moving for Wednesday. So if you're wondering where summer's gone, well, it seems it's been a sort of summer of two halves. If you sit below the jet stream, then you're getting searing temperatures, probably actually worse than this, I'd say, because it's not comfortable flying in those conditions. Or you're getting autumnal conditions like us. And I'm afraid at the moment, I can't see when exactly we're going to move out of this pattern. Winds at heights, breezy, sort of west-southwesterly, 20 to 25 knots. Satellite picture over the UK is pretty conclusive, actually. Lots and lots of cloud, and yeah, some breaks, but yeah, I'm really having to view that optimistically at the moment. The public forecasts showing sunny intervals this afternoon, evening, but until then, sort of mixture of overcast to broken skies. Drying out this afternoon with that westerly wind present for most of the day, sometimes a little bit stronger, but good visibility in the afternoon, poor and low cloud this morning. Yeah, I think 19 degrees would appear to be probably the most optimistic we're going to get today. And dew points sat at around 13, given how moist this air mass is. So yeah, cloud not getting particularly high, but enough that hopefully this afternoon we'll be able to aerotow. Current Lasham, temperature 17, dew point of 15, so at least it's not too chilly. I think July, this being the last day of July, it's been only, I think, half a degree below average, but the rainfall amounts are going to be pretty shocking, if I'm honest. Picture outside is that, cloud base 600 feet currently. And Farnborough currently reporting broken at 1200, broken at 1700. And looking through the TAF, you can see, yeah, potentially by 11 o'clock, scattered at 2,500 feet, becoming the norm as we go through. But yeah, until then, low cloud. Potential flight distance is that, so not soarable. And yeah, really during today, I think top message is just frozen. We are looking at least a large part of this morning, cloud base probably below 1,500 feet. So it may take a little bit of time to get going. This afternoon, looking like there is the chance of some soaring, but very local at best. I don't think we're going to be seeing anything particularly much more exciting than maybe broken or scattered cloud at 2,500 feet. But I'll just bring up that for you again. And here we go. Yeah, you can see on here brief amounts of soaring, but intermixed with showers. So yeah, if you find a thermal, you've probably been very lucky today. Airspace wise, solitary planes very active at the moment, mostly with radio transmission activity. God knows what they're doing, but yeah, lots and lots of that. So solitary plane is active as per normal. Potential activity at Western on the green. Little Rislington 80Z is active, and events, the Vintage Rally, which I'm sure are having a superb British time at Aston Down currently. So that is what we've got there. Operationally today, it will be runway 27, same as yesterday. We do have a jet movement. I think it's waiting at standstill for the cloud to lift because it's not good enough for a visual approach currently. So they'll hopefully be staying sensible and waiting for the weather like we are. So yeah, get ready. But yeah, we might need to liaise to see when that jet's going to come in. There might be another jet movement again later today, but do not know at this stage. So yeah. So 27 news, jet movement at some point this morning. Leaden skies, but hopefully brightening up this afternoon. See you out there. Bye for now.